Question number 8 of exercise 1E. They are saying by expressing x square plus 3x plus 1 in the form of x plus p whole square plus q. Okay, first of all I have to express it in this term, then sketch curve of y equals to x square plus 3x plus 1, and I have to write the coordinate of minimum point of graph. Okay, these are the three things which I have to do over here. Number 1, number 2, number 3. So first thing, I am going to convert this thing in this form. X square plus 3x plus 1. Now, there are two terms of x. One is having a square and one is not having a square. So what will you do to convert it in this form? First thing, coefficient of x square should be positive 1. The coefficient of x square should be positive 1, which is given over here. After that, what will you do? Write these two as it is. X square plus 3x. I have written these two as it is. Then coefficient of x, only coefficient of x, no sign. Coefficient of x will be divided by 2, square, added and subtracted. Okay, I have brought something over here by myself, so I have written it in addition form and subtraction form both. So my equation will remain balanced and plus 1 will be written as it is. After that, this thing. This one is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a square, because of this plus sign I have written plus sign over here, and then b square over here, and this thing is representing 2ab. Okay, so we know that a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square. So what will I do? A square is written over here as a, so the one which is having a square, they will be written x without a square plus sign of the formula, and 3 upon 2 without a square will be written. Square is written on the bracket. Now these three are enclosed in identity. Okay, these three are enclosed in identity. So these three are enclosed in squaring identity. Now minus sign, 3 square is 9 over 2 square is 4 plus 1. Simplifying it further, x plus 3 over 2 whole square, taking LCM, LCM will be 4 minus 9 plus 4. So when I am going to simplify it further, what I am going to have, x plus 3 upon 2 whole square minus 5 over 4. Now this thing is given in this way. X with a constant in a squaring bracket, x with a constant in a squaring bracket, plus q. So there is something written outside the bracket also. So now this thing is converted into this form. Okay. Part 2, I have to do the sketching. Sketching of y equals to x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. Now what will I do? See, this thing and this thing is same. It means that if I can write this one like this, so I can write this one as y equals to this thing which was like this is now shifted in this way. So instead of writing this, I am writing x plus 3 over 2 whole square minus 5 over 4. Okay. I have to make the curve of this one. From here, I have already shifted it in completing a square form. So instead of writing it in this way, I have written it in this form. Okay. Now, outside the bracket, nothing is written. So a equals to 1 greater than 0. I will have minimum curve or minimum turning point. Over here, they have given us P. So I am taking P, which is positive P. Over here, it is 3 over 2. Okay. Before that, we were using word of H and K. Now they are giving the word of P and Q, but same thing is there. P is the x coordinate of the turning point and Q is the y coordinate of the turning point. What is Q? By comparing, Q is coming minus 5 over 4. This is your coordinate of the turning point which they have asked for. Now they have asked for a sketch the curve. I have got my turning point, y-intercept. Y-intercept means x will be plotted as 0. X plotted 0 over here, or I can plot x 0 over here. So y equals to 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. So when x is 0, y is coming 1. Okay. So I have got my turning point. I have got my y coordinate, y-intercept. What will I do next? Three over 2 will be equals to 1.5. And this will be equals to minus 1.25. So 1.5 will be somewhere over here and minus 1.25 will be somewhere over here. Minus 1.25, 1.5. 0 and 1. X value 0, y value 1. It will be over here. So this is my curve turning point. And this is going to be my answer. They haven't asked for any equation of line of symmetry. So I'm not going to tell them that this is P and Q, the turning point, and this is your y-intercept. This point, which is 0, 1, that is your y-intercept.